Have you ever seen a mystery light pop up on your dash and just ignored it? Big mistake. That tiny glow could save your engine or cost you thousands. Intro and promise. Hey everyone, today we're decoding the most common car warning lights in 2026. What they actually mean, why they come on, and the exact immediate steps you need to take before a small issue turns into a nightmare repair bill. Stick around till the end, because ignoring even one of these can wreck your car and your wallet. Let's dive in. Top 6 warning lights you can't ignore. 1. Check engine light, engine warning light. Show classic engine outline icon, yellow/orange. First up, the one everyone dreads, the check engine light. That little engine symbol, usually yellow or orange. It means the car's computer detected a problem in the engine, emissions, or fuel system. Common culprits in 2026? Loose or faulty gas cap. Yes, still the #1 easy fix. Bad oxygen sensor warns spark plugs or ignition coils engine misfire. Even in hybrids or newer cars, it can flag EV-related sensor issues. What to do immediately? Step 1. Check and tighten your fuel cap. Drive a bit and see if it clears. Step 2. If it stays on or flashes, flashing equals emergency misfire, don't ignore it. Get an OBD2 scan at a mechanic ASAP. Could be cheap or catastrophic. Pro tip: regular services plus quality fuel prevent 70% of these. Ignoring it? Hello, failed emissions test and potential engine damage costing $1,000 to $5,000 plus. 2. Oil pressure warning. This one's terrifying. The oil can with a drip, almost always red. Low oil pressure. Your engine isn't getting lubricated properly. Causes: low oil level, failing oil pump, leak, or super old, dirty oil. Immediate action, no excuses. Pull over safely right now, turn off the engine, and check the dipstick. If low, add the correct oil. If the light stays on after topping up, do not drive. Tow it to a shop. Continuing can seize the engine completely. We're talking full rebuild territory, $5,000 plus easy. Prevent it. Check oil monthly, especially in hot Dubai summers. Change on schedule. Use manufacturer spec oil. 3. Battery/charging system. Warning looks like a battery? That's the charging system light. Most think dead battery, but it usually means the alternator isn't charging it while driving. Causes: faulty alternator, loose terminals, worn belt, or in newer cars, issues with hybrid battery charging. What happens if you ignore? Your car runs on battery alone, lights dim, radio cuts, then total shutdown mid-drive. Do this. Head straight to a mechanic, safely. Turn off AC, extras to conserve power. Prevent, clean terminals yearly, test battery/alternator every 2 years. 4. Brake warning, safety alert. Brake light, exclamation in circle or brake. Means low brake fluid, worn pads, or bigger hydraulic/ABS issue. Immediate. Don't wait. Your stopping power could fail. Check fluid level, top up if low, but get inspected today. Even if brakes feel okay, low fluid equals potential leak. Prevent. Inspect pads/fluid every service. Replace pads every 30 to 60,000 kilometers. 5. Engine temperature/coolant warning. The overheating one, thermometer dipped in water. Engine too hot. Causes: low coolant, bad thermostat, radiator fan failure, leak. Very common in hot climates like ours. Critical action. Pull over immediately, engine off. Let it cool 30 plus minutes. Never open cap hot, scalding spray danger. Check coolant reservoir. When cool, top if needed. If light persists, tow to mechanic. Prevent, check coolant levels monthly, flush system per schedule. 6. Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, tire with exclamation mark. One or more tires underinflated. Still super common in 2026. Low pressure equals worse handling, blowout risk, poor fuel economy. Do check all tires with gauge or at station. Inflate to door jam specs. Reset TPMS if needed. If light blinks or returns fast. Possible puncture or sensor fault, mechanic time. Prevent. Monthly checks, cold tires. Rotate every service. Conclusion. Dashboard lights aren't annoying decorations. They're your car's SOS. Red equals stop now. Yellow/amber equals fix soon. Don't panic, but don't procrastinate. Early action saves thousands and keeps you safe. Outro. If this helped you avoid a breakdown, smash that like button, drop a comment. Which light scares you most? Subscribe to ObahMech-Autos for more real mechanic tips.